Alexa, stop. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:23 p.m.
Of course. Alexa, Michael's room on. Alright guys, for those that are new to the channel, my name is Michael. I make content about my car, about a Mustang, and yeah, so today it's going to be about the Mustang again. If you haven't seen by the description and the title, we're going to be looking at possibly trading the Mustang for something different. Right now I'm going to go run outside. Yeah, you guys caught me. It kind of looks bad outside, so I actually did this a couple days ago and just now decided to decide an intro and a beginning, but I'm going to be washing the car. It's going to sound weird because it looks bad, but I already washed the car, but I'm saying I'm going to go wash the car, so I'm acting like I'm in that time, but I'm not, so just go with it. The beauty of editing, right? So I'm going to be going to wash the car, and then the time is true. So like Alexa said, it was 1 something because at that day I got off work at 7:30 in the morning since I work night shift. Got home, slept for a little bit, woke up at that time, washed the car, and then went to my buddy's house so that way he could follow me and help me out with this trade if we do end up doing it. And so yeah, so I tried to make this intro kind of realistic, kind of the same ish, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash the car, and then I'm gonna go to his house. Won't be filming that much just because it's already passed, and I probably wouldn't have filmed anyway even if I thought about it, just because I'm not sure how much the guy would have appreciated it, and not still big into this. I'm still new, trying to get everything down. So yeah, and yes, I'm still working on that little motor down there to try and turn it into a little coffee table nightstand thing. It just sucks because I believe it's like cylinders 3 and 7 are gonzo, like pistons are stuck in the cylinder head. Yeah, my buddy messed it up bad. Anyway, so yeah, if you were wanting to watch a video of me washing the cars, I'll leave a little side thing up over here that you can click on. But yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, this very well could be our last goodbyes of the Mustang. Soak it in now. Alright guys, so I'm actually heading to the gym right now. Spoiler alert, I did go through with going on the trade. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now because once I get back from the gym, I'm just going to put it together, show you what it is, just because I need to get a video out there, and plus it'll give me another reason to make a cooler video of what I got. But that video would be pretty short, probably like a 5-minute long video, just like how I had with the little photo shoot of my car with my buddy Trey. It'll be something like that. Try and make it look cool. But I just need to get a video out there. I need to get done on that motor. I need to make a video about this car, the Focus, of 5 things I like, 5 things I hate about this car. I just need to start grinding on YouTube right now, for real though. So yeah, I mean, even though it's a pretty crappy day, I just need to make that video, make it happen for you guys. I mean, if you know me already though, you know what I got, so not much of a spoiler. But for those that are watching, for the 16 subscribers, probably know what I got, but the other people that watch the videos do not know. So I have big plans for this car. I have plans for what I just got. It does need some work, so of course I always buy projects. Yay. You know something else I noticed about my videos I make? I'm always looking scruffy and just not like, I don't know how to say it, but like clean, I guess you could say, or just, I don't know, I always have like some beard or some nasty mustache, as you can see in the previous clip of me standing in front of the Mustang. I was trying to do the No Shave November. I couldn't do it. I just can't grow anything right here. I mean, I can get a nasty neck beard going. That thing is just like mint, let me tell ya. But nowhere else. And I talked to my dad, and he's like, yeah, I never could grow a beard, but he definitely could grow a mustache. He has a wedding picture, and he has just this thick mustache, and I'm like, that is not in right now, and I'm not about that. So yeah, sorry about that, guys, how I probably look grimy and gross in most of my videos just because of the facial hair. But this is what I look like. 2-day fresh cut. Alright guys, so I'm back from the gym, and I'm about to show you what this is. You can probably hear it on the outside. I have the garage shut, but you can probably hear it. Pretty excited. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's see what it is. So, I'll get away. So it is a 2008 CBR 600RR. I had my buddy Alex go with me since he's been riding forever, and he actually has a year older, and he knows all about these. He told me what all needs to be fixed, which it's fork seals. We need to clean the front rotors because they were leaking on that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do maintenance on it, like the oil change, just do all kinds of like I'll probably just redo all the fluids just so that I know that everything's clean and good to go. And like I said, my brother, he knows how to work on these bikes. Alex does too, but I'm not gonna ask him to help work on it. So yeah, this is what I traded the Mustang for. So I'm excited. My helmet, it's sick. I'm so excited for it. Yes, it's winter, so I won't be able to ride or anything. The way I've been riding is just on my drive right here, a little private drive up and down my driveway.
Caleb, my buddy, would say that also has a YouTube video. Stars in the bars, baby. All right, so this is this is my new toy, I guess you could say. So I'll just keep you guys updated on it. This is it for the video. I'm gonna try and get that engine all cleaned up and everything. I'll probably do 2 videos of it, just me disassembling everything, and then me for the second video cleaning it all off and then painting it how I want it. And then probably move on to some focus content. So see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, please. Help me out a little bit. I'll see you in the next one.